H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Map of this course. So this course is all about automation testing using Selenium WebDriver with Java. So without Java or without any programming language knowledge, if you try to learn Selenium, that is of no use. You will not be able to get anything, the syntax and other stuff. Okay, one programming language is must, and that is we have decided to go with Java. So in Java, we will start with the installation. Ignore my spellings. Installations of the required software to get started. Then we will learn, first we will discuss about what is objects, classes and packages. It's just a theory part. Then we will write with a first Java program, then like basics. Then we will learn about operators. Then we will learn about flow control statement. Then we will learn about methods and constructors, methods, access, modifiers, constructors, then concept, and finally exception handling and collections framework. So these are the topic which we would be learning as part of this Java class, and the duration can range between roughly 15 to 20 classes. 20 classes, 1 hour each. Any questions on this one? Any questions on this one? No?
No.
No questions?
No,
Right.
no, we are good.
The next one we would be starting with Selenium topics. So again, okay, setting up or installing Maven software and setting up project and Selenium, then basic browser test, then locators concept, then like what are the topics? Synchronization, then handling drop down, and all action related to the web application. And we would be learning one end-to-end framework development, where we would be learning page object model, we would be learning about Git, we would be learning about Jenkins, we would be learning about data driven framework, data-driven framework, mm, and so on. Any topics which is left, I will just cover it. Don't worry. This is just a rough sketch. Duration again would be roughly between 15 to 20 classes. Okay, so approximately it will be 2 months course, or it 2 months course. Not necessarily it has to be the complete 2 months. The sooner we finish, the earlier it is, but I will not rush on any topic for any reason. I wanted to make sure that each and every one of you understands what I'm teaching. Then what we would be learning, then I will be sharing the sample resumes to prepare your resume. And by the knowledge you gain, you can just easily show 3+ years of experience, years of working experience, provided provided
So is
if
there any
you can
certification?
if you
Mm.
can manage experience letter. Okay. For certificate, course completion certificate, you can check with H2K whether are they gonna provide you the course completion certificate. Officially, there is no certificate for Selenium. Okay, if anybody tells that, like, they will provide certification, it is not the Selenium certificate, it is the course completion certificate, which you guys have to check with H2K whether they're gonna
So
provide you any course completion certificate.
I'm asking, is there any exam to get a
Nah,
certification?
nothing. For Selenium, there is no exams like ISTQB or any other like proper certification that they will be doing by writing the exams, right? There is no such thing with Selenium. And don't get fooled or, like, get cheated by if a people tells that they will provide you the certification on Selenium. Officially, there is no such thing like that. Cool.
Okay, so what are the topics we are covering? This is would be enough to crack the interviews and everything because when we take some courses, so if you're going for a certification exam, so
Hmm.
the certification exams has more topics than taking the courses topics. So we need to cover,
So,
we need to still read more and then need to cover so many things. But it will be like a 25 percentile part only. It will be covered in training. But if you are trying to
uh,
take certification means
no, no,
still we have to go
nothing.
for topics.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Whatever the topic that I have written, it's just only at the high level. Okay. This is not the exact proper topic. This is at the high level. Okay. There are several topics, subtopics inside this. See, inside OOPS itself, there are 5 different subtopics. Inside the object classes and packages, there are 10 different subtopics. So, I mean, whatever that I have written here, it is just okay. Somebody has pinged something in the chat box. Let me take this one. No, this okay. First of all, this is called as course completion certificate, not Selenium certificate. That's what I was telling you, that please don't get blindfolded. Okay, there is no certificate, something like this. Okay, and I don't entertain all that. Okay, there is no certification for Selenium. The second thing, coming back to this one, I was telling you that okay, this is not, it is just a high level contents that I am giving, that what is that we are going to learn. Inside this there are hundreds of hidden topics. Each and every topic will be covered. And when you call this, or when you compare this with taking any certification or writing some exams, it is 100 plus 50% more topics will be covered here.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So we can crack the interview as well, right? So
I mean, if you would have read this, aram say you can, like, very easily you can show 3+ years of experience. You can, I mean, you will become expert, like how a 3 or 4 years of industry or the people who are working in automation testing, you will gain so much of knowledge, and you will be able to crack with by showing this much of experience. Provided, okay, if you are showing some experience, okay, then definitely the company will do a background check. They will call the previous company or the reference that you have given to them to check whether if the person has really worked there. That you have to manage. That is what I was trying to tell you. If you can manage that, yes, very easily you can show that 3 to 4 years of experience you have working with Selenium, or you have worked on Selenium. Like that. Did it answer your question?
okay. Yeah. Thank you. Got it.
Right. So starting from next week, one day next week I'm not available. Even though I've asked the H2K people to schedule or start the regular classes from Monday. Next week, one day I might be not available, and also in the last week of December, there are a couple of days which I'm going out of station. Apart from that, the rest of the days we will be having class, and definitely there will be it is like open to the class students. Like if you guys are really feeling overwhelmed at certain point, yes, if you needed a break, you can just tell me so that we can like take a break or like work accordingly. So starting from next Monday, a regular class will be started, and the first and foremost thing is that we will be seeing how to install the software. One thing before to that, go to this website. Okay, I'll just ping you the website in this. Okay, Cookie Lab. What do I mean by provided if you can manage the experience letter in the sense? See, you might be or you might have worked in different domain other than testing, or else you would have completed your graduation long back, and due to some career breaks, or not breaks, or you were like you wanted to show some fake experience. During that time, if you put on your resume that you worked in so and so company, okay, definitely there would be a cross check which would be happening from the current company which you are trying to apply. There you will be giving either a reference or some known people who was working on that company. A call will go to them, and they will check whether if this person has really worked here. Okay, the answer is like the person should be able to the reference whomever you are giving, the person should pick up the call and tell that yes, this person has worked in this company. That's it, and he has 2 to 3 years of experience. That you should manage is what I was about to say. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Wait. Don't go with that one. Don't go with that one. Just a minute. Oracle.com. Mm, just a minute. Don't go with the website that I gave. Just a minute. Download. Mhm. Strange. Before it was asking for what's that, Oracle India. Okay, before it was asking us to like enter the username and password to download the software, but now it is directly allowing you to download, so no need for any registration as such. Okay, we are good. So Monday class I will show you, or we will set up the complete lab from scratch. Okay, any questions, any doubts?
Santosh, does it mean that 20 weeks for the Selenium and 20 weeks for the Java? So entire will be
Man,
4 months?
no, no 20
20
weeks,
weeks.
man. No, not 20 weeks, 20 days. 20
Sorry,
classes, 20
yeah,
days.
20 days. So
Yeah,
will it take 4 months in all?
No, it will take 20 days in the sense one month, right? Approximately, it will be 2 months, man.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Any
So,
questions? Any doubts?
should we refer this link like for the
Not required. Not
downloads?
required. Not required. Not required. I will show you.
Okay. So Monday there will be all the installation will be done, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Will
Right.
there be class
Then
on Monday?
why? Yes, there will be a class on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Why? What happened?
I heard that you are not available on this Monday.
No, no, no. I didn't say that on this Monday I'm not available. I said next week, one day. I don't know which is the day. That day I will not be available.
Okay, any of the weekdays.
No, no. I still not. I mean, I got still the day is not confirmed. Monday I will inform it prior.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, right. Thank you guys, and thanks for attending this today's session. From Monday, it's gonna be a very interesting classes as we are gonna actually start with our actual course content. No more boring theories. It's all hands-on. All right.
Link sent in the chat is the proper download link.
No, don't do like don't do any downloading or such. I'm Monday. I will show you what exactly you need
Okay,
to download.
gotcha. Thank you.
Right. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Santosh.
Bye.